Have you ever noticed that a photo from your phone turns into blocky garbage when you zoom in? But a company logo? It stays razor sharp no matter how huge you make it. That's not magic. That's vector graphics. Unlike bitmaps that are locked into a fixed grid, vector graphics are stored as math formulas. Change the math? You change the shape without losing quality. Vector files store a display list. Think of it like a recipe book for your image. It doesn't save every pixel. Instead, it saves objects their location, their line thickness, their fill color, and the order which shape sits on top of which. And here's the superpower, because it's all math, you can change size, rotate, or warp it just by editing a few numbers. No pixels are ever thrown away. Take a curve like the arch of a rainbow. A bitmap needs hundreds of pixels to draw it, but a vector, it uses a Bezier curve, and a Bezier needs only 4 points. The start point, the end point, and 2 control points that act like gravity pulling the line. Move a control point, the curve changes instantly. Smooth, clean, infinite precision. Each point is stored with crazy precision, way more than pixels can handle. That's why the curve stays perfect at any size. So if vectors are just math, how does your screen show them? Your software runs a process called viewing transform. It reads every formula from the display list, calculates exactly where every edge should be, and temporarily converts that into a bitmap for your screen. But the original vector data stays untouched. To add a fill, the program calculates the mathematical boundary of the shape. Then it figures out which pixels are inside that boundary and colors only those. No leaks, no rough edges. Here's the efficiency win. When you move the blue circle, the software doesn't recalculate the whole image. It only changes that object's data in the display list. The red square, untouched. The green star, unchanged. Only the circle's math gets updated. Then the viewing transform recomputes the bitmap for your screen in milliseconds. That's why vector editors feel so fast, even with complex illustrations. Bitmap stores where every pixel is. Vector stores how to draw every shape. That's why vector graphics can change shape, scale forever, and never lose crispness. Next time you zoom into a logo and it's still razor sharp, you'll know it's not magic. It's 4 points, a display list, and some beautiful math.